natin, tapos dahan-dahan natin ibaba. Like how we do when we do our hair using the hair iron. Hair iron ba? Hey guys, what is up? Another Boodle Sarah with your Unika EZ. And for today's Boodle, syempre papakita ko sa inyo ang bagong HS or Hodex style na na-receive ko today lang, 2 hours ago. Ayan, binili ko to sa TikTok shop, of course. And we're gonna check it because this is good sa ating mga girlies na on the go. Kaya naman, if you're on the go at gustong-gusto mo, syempre, na presentable ka whenever you leave, panoorin mo to. Okay, so this one, hindi to for fresh unboxing kasi na-unbox ko na to kanina nandun. And yes, pag open mo sa box, ay maganda yung box niya actually. Yan, hatakin mo ganyan. And it's getting na mayroon siyang dust bag. Yan. And yes, this is it, pansit. We bought a portable hair straightener. So, meron siyang instruction dito. Ganyan lang yung itsura niya. I selected color pink. Kasi nga girly-girly tayo, right? So, pink. And it says here na press and hold for 3 seconds to power on. So, gonna do that. Okay. And then, antay natin uminit. Pero kahit hindi pa siya mainit, you can already comb your hair while doing that. Actually, na-try ko na siya kanina. That's why, kung napansin nyo, ang aking bangs ay straight. Yes. Pero syempre, iba pa rin yung mismong hair straightener, guys. But I love this because, again, it's compact. It's compact. It is portable. At the same time, it's magaan naman siya. May weight siya, pero hindi siya super bigat. And you can bring this anywhere. Ganun siya kasayang gamitin. Mabilis din siyang uminit. Hindi ko pa to na-charge. So, this is factory charge. And I like it. Iba pa rin syempre yung hagod or yung pagiging straight kapag mismong hair iron yung gamit mo. But I think, like, for my manipis na hair, this works okay. And I'm going to show it to you guys. Okay, so ito yung hair ko. Tapos, we're gonna do that. Hawakan natin, tapos dahan-dahan natin ibaba. Like how we do when we do our, hair using the hair iron. Hair iron ba tawag doon? Ayan. Oh, kita nyo yun. Diba? Guys, mind you, my buhok is manipis. So, mas madali niyang straight, pero hindi siya sobrang straight na flat. May volume pa rin siya. And, mas style mo rin talaga siya. So, for example, curl ko siya onto here. Ayan no, style niya. Diba? Actually, bought this for my bangs kasi alam mo na, ang manipis ang buhok ko at the same time, mahaba-haba yung bangs ko. So, binili ko siya. Oh, kita niyo yun? To straighten my bangs. Yes, guys. Kaya naman, kung gusto niyo nito, holiday season na, this is less than 1,000. I think I bought this for just around 500 to 550 pesos. But usually nakikita ko siya dito sa TikTok ng around 600. But still, it's less than 1,000. So if you have some girlies, your mom, your sister, your tita, your ninang, ayan, na mahilig mag-ayos at on the go, nagmamadali lagi, ganyan, you can gift them with this. Ang inclusion nito is, of course, yung main component. Papatayin ko siya muna para mapakita ko sa inyo iba. Okay, when you want to turn this off, same thing, 3-second rule, and there you go. Huwag nyo muna ilalagay agad syempre sa dust bag. Let it, let it cool for a bit. Tapos balikan natin yung box. Ito yung box niya, diba? So, ilalim niyan, ito mismo. Buksan natin. Pagbukas natin, ito naman yung laman. So, meron siyang supply na color pink din yan. Maganda yan kasi it helps you with styling. May dalawa siyang shock so that you can section your hair where you are straightening it. Yung habang ini-straighten mo siya. Especially if you have makapal na hair. Yeah. And then, of course, the charger. I like this because it's already Type-C. Yeah. Meron ka na namang bagong Type-C charger. And, by the way, guys, Hodek official ko siya nabili dito sa TikTok. So, check it out. You might see this on sale at mabilis siyang dumating. Mga 2 to 3, hindi, 2 days lang, parang less than 2 days. Less than 2 days. 2 days lang nandito na siya sa akin. Tama ba? Yes. So, ayan, kung gusto mo, check mo na ang Hello Basket na nandyan sa baba or sa comment section. Again, my name is Unke Easy and see you again for another Poodle serie. Bye, please follow for more.